Believe it or not, when you're injured in Georgia as a result of an auto accident, you actually have two claims. One is the property damage claim, which is the damage to your vehicle. The other claim is a personal injury claim. The property damage claim, it's actually a little bit difficult to get attorneys to take just because it's something that we as the attorneys aren't going to take a fee on. If we take a fee on the damage to your car, you're not going to be able to get yourself back into the same car that you had or get your car fixed. Now at my firm, I take on people's property damage claims just as part of their personal injury claims. I do not charge for it. It is something free that I provide to anyone that hires me as their lawyer, and I will advocate for them to get the top dollar for their damaged car or the top dollar for their car which has been a total loss. But I also go into great detail on that in the book itself, because the property damage portion is something that people can handle on their own as long as they have the little bit of knowledge that's necessary to navigate the process.